If you think about sort of different meals that you had over the past month, what did you have for lunch 3 weeks ago on a Tuesday? I think you probably can't remember that information, but a birthday cake that you had as a child or the cake on your wedding day, that's sort of these flashbulb moments that you might remember for the rest of your life. You don't need to remember every little thing that you've experienced. Only these really important moments are going to sort of shape what memories are stored, and then those memories are, they can go on and inform future behavior. The big Q question of my research right now is really understanding how specific memories are selected for long-term storage. For me, I sort of think about it as how salient is something that you're experiencing, and whatever that is, that will sort of kick off this mechanism that will push whatever you've experienced into long-term storage. And saliency can be modified in a lot of different ways. If something's very positive or very negative, but there's also repetition. So how often you're exposed to something, novelty. So just something that is so wildly out of this world, you're walking down Fifth Avenue and you're alone and there's like a kangaroo on the sidewalk. Like that is, it's not positive or negative, but it's so novel, so bizarre that that's probably something you'll remember for the rest of your life. In the lab, I really designed my whole behavioral experiment around two different types of saliency, mainly the value and the frequency. And so what I've done is building up this virtual reality task for mice where they are exposed to different contextual environments. Basically, the mice, they are walking on this wheel, and the movement on the wheel will control their progression through this corridor. At varying intervals, they're going to enter into different rooms. They are these rich multisensory experiences. There are different smells, different tones that are played. And so one of the rooms has a huge water reward. A different room has a small water reward. And then another room has this air puff. And then the last element is that one of the rooms is also presented to the mice. They go through that room about 2.5 times more frequently than any of the other rooms. And the way that we're actually measuring memory in the task is looking at the licking activity for the mice. They remember the highly rewarding rooms, they remember the high frequency presented rooms, and then they also remember the aversive rooms. Memory in the human brain is this incredibly powerful machine. We're able to, in some cases, remember based off of a single experience, this very rich scene of something that's happened in your life. How can it be that in this single instance, in this very short amount of time, we're able to store that much information? And so seeing that there is more coming out about these different areas of the brain is exciting.